This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Well, if you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this episode, I'm giving you guys an update on my Etoro account. The last video I did a couple of days ago, I showed you where I placed a trade, and my account right here, this is that video. I'll have the playlist linked at the end of this video, so when this video ends you will be able to see that playlist. But my account balance was equity was at 72.82. If you can see that, let's see, let's open it up wide. So yeah, see, it was at 72.82. That was yesterday, no, a couple of days ago. So I had placed this trade here, showed you guys how to do that, and went over some things there on how to get started. So now my account equity is at 77.47. Well, the price of ADA has went up. When I first got in this trade, it was on May 30th, guys. May 30th. The market took a dive. Remember, all the way in July, part of June, it took a dive. Actually, all of June and most of July, it took a dive. So when I entered it, I entered at 166. So it's getting back to that point. All right. So I'm almost in profit. I actually went in profit and then it came down a little bit. So I set up a take profit of $1.68 in for this trade, which is going to give me a profit of, let me see if it shows you here. If I click on that, we've only 27 cents, but I only put in $25. So that gives me a profit of a little over 1%. Okay, so that's kind of what I want to shoot for, is at least 1%. That's why when you get into some of these passive income opportunities and they promise you like 2% and 3% a day, that is going to be hard. That can be hard to do and maintain for a long period of time. You can get it here and there. You can have some 2% days and some 3% days, but they can't be guaranteed every day. So with trading, you know, trying to strive for 1% a day is a good measure. All right. So so that's only going to give me 27 cents. So then this trade will close out on its own. And as you see, my account is already back up from $72 to $75. Let me go back to my portfolio. And then I'm already in profit here. I got my take profit set to $32.50. In this one, I entered at $31.14. So when it gets to $32.50, then it will close out. That will give me a profit of, hold on, let me click on it. You have to click on it first, then go here. So $32.50 is going to give me a profit of $2.18. So that is a nice percentage there to earn. So $50, 1% of $50 is really only like 50 cents. So I'm going for more than that on this particular trade, which really now a little bit more can really give me my 1%. Once I get to 50%, if I wanted to close this out, I could, but I'm going to let it go some more before I close it out. And maybe tomorrow I'll check it out and see where things are in the market. Hopefully it won't go down. So I want to see this number continue to go up, and then what I'll do is continue compounding this account, and eventually I'll be withdrawing some of my money to put into my bank account. So because what's going to happen is, how you put your money in is how you get it out. To deposit, you can deposit with your credit or debit card. So this is a perfect way to not have to deal with sending money through Bitcoin or any of that. You don't have to deal with any of that with this. Use your debit or credit card. Put in $50 is the minimum. Put that in, and then let it go. Start doing trades. Now, if you don't know how to trade, then you need to learn, and you can learn that by several ways. You can join a trading program. Now, I am in a program called Novatech, where they teach you how to trade the Forex market and read the charts. So the same tools that you use to trade the Forex market is the same tools that you can use for the crypto market. Now, Novatech allows you to learn how to trade. You only pay $25 a month. And then if you want them to trade for you while you're learning, you can deposit money into a trading account and earn passively as well from there. So what I'll be doing is pulling money out of here as I'm growing it, pulling money out into my bank account, and then I could turn around and buy some crypto to put into my Novatech account to grow that money some more, because you don't want to just keep your money sitting in your bank account, all of your money sitting in your bank account. You want to have some of your money working for you, and it's not going to work for you in your bank account. All right, so that is it. That is all, guys, that I wanted to show you an update on my Etoro account, on how it's growing. I will continue to bring you updates on this account. If you want to make sure you don't miss out on that, make sure you subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.
Next level slayer. Welcome to the